2, 3, 4.
Concentrate.
Nakakasawa na. Nakakabindi na. Palagi na lang namin kayong naririnig. Nakakabindi na.
Stop watching TV and enough Facebook. Go to sleep. It's 2 a.m. You have school in 4 hours.
Iho! Iho! Ibaba mo nga yung cellphone mo at kausapin mo kami.
Hoy! Sino yung kausap mo sa cellphone mo? 2 oras na yan, ha?
What's that on your computer? Is that even research? Sabihin mo na kasi sa akin. Just what is that?
Can you please just listen to me? You never listen. What's wrong with you?
I told you to do this, do that. You didn't do what I said. You never follow.
Bakit ba ang tigas-tigas ng ulo mo? Napupuno na ako sa'yo.
You're grounded. No cell phone. No internet. Hindi ka pwedeng lumabas.
Aba? Sasagot ka pa? Who said that you could answer me?
Just listen and stop talking.
You are not allowed to make friends with those people. You are not allowed to make friends.
Hindi ka na makipag dito sa kanya. You're too young. I don't believe you're just friends. I know it.
Bakit wala kang honor? Bakit ang ate at kuya mo meron? Bobo ka ba? Look at you. You look and act so different. Why can't you be like everyone else? You're not taking dance, photography, or theater. You're going to be a doctor. Gusto lang namin what's best for you.
Huwag kang magsalita, mga twiran at magdesisyon dahil bata ka pa. Wala ka pang alam. Hindi sa iyo ang buhay mo.
Tama na! Five, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ha!
May isang tao nagsisika. Nagmamahal.
If only you knew they are good friends. You just need to get to know who they are. If only you knew they know me more than you.
Kung alam niyo lang na hindi siya sagabal, kundi inspirasyon para sa akin.
Kung alam niyo lang na malungkot ako, ang lungkot-lungkot ko, kasi palagi wala kayo.
Kung alam nyo lang na sa tuwing nag-aaway kayo, natatakot ako. Kasi baka hindi na kayo magbati. Baka maiwan ako.
Kung alam niyo lang na kaya ako kakaiba, pariwara, kasi gusto ko lang mapansin niyo na kailangan ko kayo.
If only you knew that I'm happy because I love. All I ask is for you to trust me.
Kung alam niyo lang na marami akong achievements sa school, you just don't have time to see.
Kung alam nyo lang, parati akong bida sa school play. Kaso, di naman kayo nanonood.
kung gaano ako kasaya kapag sumasayaw. O kakanta, nagpipinta, o umarte sa entablado.
If only you knew. I hate the course you want me to take. I don't even want to be like you.
Kung alam niyo lang how much I really want to make you proud of me, but you never gave me a chance to be better in your eyes.
Kung alam nyo lang how sorry I am for all the things I've done, I'm so sorry.
Sana po, mas palawakin niyo pa ang aming kalaman sa mundo at bigyan kami ng pagkakataong lumawak ang pagkatuto.
Kung alam niyo lang na mahal ko kayo, mahal na mahal ko kayo, kahit hindi kayo perfecto, kahit hindi tayo perfecto.
Kaya sana po, maintindihin ninyo na may mga bagay na iba sa aming henerasyon, ngunit hindi naman masama.
Sana po, pag-usapan po natin tungkol sa pagkakaibigan o pag-ibig. Hindi lang bawal. Sana po, magtiwala pa kayo at umalalay, bumabay at tulungan kaming matutunan ang mga aral na aming pagkakamali sa taong pipiliing maging kaibigan.
Sana po, kilalanin niyo rin ako. Yung totoo ako nang walang paghuhusga.
If only you are here, if you believe me or not, I'm happy to be with you. Sana po, huwag kayong mag-awal. Sana po, huwag kayong mag-isip mag-ibig. Sana naisip mo ang ako.
Only you guys knew that even though I'm old enough already, I still need you in every moment of my life.
Sana po hayaan niyo akong magmahal, umusaktan at matuto. Minsan ang kailangan ko lang ang yakap niyo.
Sana po, bigyan po ninyo ako ng higit na oras para makita ninyo rin ang mga bagay na mahalaga sa akin.
Sana po, hayaan niyong mahanap ko ang sarili kong interes, ang sarili kong puso, ang sarili kong kaligayahan.
Allow me to find God's purpose for me. Allow me to pursue my heart's true desire.
Don't worry, try to be alone. I will not forget what we taught you.
Thank you for everything. Thank you for the love. Thank you for hearing us speak.
And then you get to my tomorrow. Tomorrow is the night. You get it and then you go to the meeting. And go, speak.
Ito ang sigaw namin. Ito ang sigaw ng kabataan.
How finale?
Naririnig. Yan pa kami.
Okay. Hanggang dito.